Cesario Abel Frances fast to begin paminsan-minsan in second. Lucky Lorky the four skate. Ganda is down on the inside Pipa. And in 6 kay Maki. Dr. Choice comes next. Now we have paminsan-minsan. The leader by Awaralain Kanehapa. Lovable Frances in second. Kate Ganda now moving up to take third. Racing in fourth the Force. Lucky Lorky. Dr. Choice comes next. Then followed by Aramis the Real Thing. Kay Maki number 8. And that is Spanish Drums. Red still paminsan-minsan by Auralenka. Kate Ganda now moving up to take second. Lovable Frances back in third. And in fourth is the Force. Red still paminsan-minsan by about 2 lengths. Kate Ganda remains in second. Lovable Frances now trying to get closer in third. And in fourth the Force. Dr. Joyce. Red still paminsan by about 3 lengths. Kate Ganda moving up. Lovable Frances. Dr. Joyce down on the inside as they come down at the last 150. And it's still paminsan-minsan. Dr. Joyce moving up. Kate Ganda on the outside. Paminsan-minsan. Dr. Joyce now moving up on the outside. It's now Dr. Choice followed by paminsan-minsan, and finally it's Dr. Choice. Paminsan-minsan. Lucky Lorky.
6, 9, 4, 2. Parang 1 and 5.